I'm Hamish Wilkinson. I'm part of the Pulteney team for the electric pole project. So this was my original design for the overall robot. So done some designs of the chassis here, but the main focus that I did was the actual claw mechanism. And so I did this second designs later on in the project. And so basically that's focusing on where the claw will be on the chassis and how it integrates with the other parts. So we've got it there, attached to the motor. And so here's a in-depth look at the actual claw. And so my original design was to use rubber bands, which to pull the claw up and back. But it was partially reliable, but we decided to go with a spring mechanism instead. And so just the thing. And so we've got the hard copy here, and so it's a C shape, and it hooks onto the claw with the metal part and the black part. And so Mr. Johnson will just demonstrate that. And so it is moved back to detach from the pole using that orange string, which is attached to the left claw. And so our next idea is to pull the cord back somewhere on the pole, and so it can move it without actually touching it, just using a motor. And so that is and so we can do this in demonstration. So it's there to the pole, and so it moves up. It can attach, and then it automatically attaches and brings it back. Then it brings it around using Zara's cog thing, and then it brings it back up to the pole. Then it should attach, and then using the orange, it'll pull it back, and it'll go back out. Awesome. And so some different limitations that I had whilst making this was that the limitation of pieces, because I only had limited pieces to work with, including the C-shaped metal parts, which were incredibly difficult to find. I did my first prototype in Lego, which I'm more familiar with, and worked from there at school and trying to make it in Vex and make it a bit more reliable.
That's good.
Yep.
Yeah, great.